Hi everyone, today we are going to bring you guys to see a smart door lock installation. Let's go. Alright, we already arrived at a client house. As you can see, we also have already removed the previous lock so that we can make some adjustment for the door. This time around, client wants to install H2B V-Lock smart door lock. Now let's adjust the door first. Then the frame. Now that the door and the frame is ready, time to put the smart door lock together. But let's clean up first. Now the smart lock installation is complete. For H2B smart lock, you can open the door with fingerprint, apps, passcode, card, and mechanical key. Our smart lock comes with 3 cards and 2 mechanical keys. There are also other cool features such as monitor your smart lock battery from your app, passage mode to allow people in for a period of time, attendance, and remote unlock via apps. This model is suitable for wooden door, but we also got model for glass, grill, aluminium, security, and sliding door available. After installation, our installer will guide you from A to Z how to use the smart lock.
Nothing is secure. Nothing. You just open it. Okay. You want the double lock, you can go. Really double lock. Okay.
Alright, that's all for installation today. But before we end, I want to tell you that Lockpro technology is a smart door lock and access control installer. So other than smart door lock, we also install access control. So if you are interested in installing smart door lock or access control for your office, you can contact us at the number shown. Alright, thank you.